me show you how you can monetize Facebook traffic, Instagram traffic, TikTok traffic, Twitter traffic, or X, and even Pinterest. So I'm going to show you a simple website that you can use to instantly monetize the content that you put out on these platforms. And even if you do not have content that you put out, I'll also show you how to create viral content that will get people to your page. And the idea here is very simple. So there is a company that other companies pay money to advertise. Now, this company will now pay you money to help them create content and share the link so that people can see their adverts and their products. Easy peasy. So what we are basically doing is that we are helping a company that is helping other companies, and then we earn money for that. So the first thing we want to do is we want to come to this website called Monetag. All right. So this website, what they do is they help people run ads. So this is an ad network, and this is a very popular ad network, in fact, and they've been around for a very long while. So what you want to do here is just you want to come to sign up, click on sign up, and then you are going to include your email address, your name. It's important that you use your correct name so that you'll be able to withdraw the money that you are going to earn. So sign up is free and easy. Put your name, your email, set a password, answer a few questions like if you're an individual accompanying, put an address and all of that, and you are basically in. So I already have an account. So if I click on sign up, it should basically take me to my account. And let me just walk you through what you can do inside of this platform. So there are a lot of things you can do. At the top here, you are going to see all the links that you've created and where they are coming from and the money you are earning. If you come to sites here, you can actually put your own site, like your own website. If you're a blogger, just like Google AdSense, you can add your own website here and put other advertising links in it. If you have a mini app on Telegram, you can use this. If you have, we are going to be using direct links and smart links. They are called smart links, and I'm going to explain briefly. But for the payment, you receive your payments in different methods. So they have cryptocurrency, they have PayPal, they have Skrill, and they also have Payoneer. So you can withdraw a minimum of $5 on PayPal. With Skrill, $5. With Payoneer is $20. With cryptocurrencies, you have to have a minimum of $100. Also, they have a referral program where if you refer publishers, you'll be able to earn 5%. And with that, let me just show you how you can monetize your social traffic. So I am focusing on social traffic today because we want to talk more about the smart link. And what the smart link does is one single link that can serve multiple purposes. So the problem with adverts is that people don't want to see spammy adverts. And the reason why ads are spammy is because in most cases, advertisers do not know what the audience want to see or the kind of advert they want to see. But with a smart link, this link is smart enough to know that for instance, I am interested in some kind of content. So it shows me a different ad. It shows you a different ad depending on your own interest, and it shows other people ads that are more relevant to them. So what this does is that the CPM will be high because these adverts are relevant to the people who see them. And if the CPM is high, you are going to make more money. I hope you understand how this works. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Now let's come back to the direct link, and we want to create a smart link. So I just created this few smart links when I was trying to make this video, but you can just come here, click on direct links. So direct links are basically smart links, and all you have to do is you click on create. We have created it. So you just want to copy this link and keep it somewhere. Now each link, you can come here, you can see the statistics, you can see how many views it's getting, where it is getting it from, the different kind of devices, and then the money that it has earned. Now we have created this account, we've gotten our smart link. Let me show you how to create posts that will be engaging on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok, wherever your own social traffic is. So to actually do this successfully, especially on Facebook and other social media platform, you need to have a niche where you are interested in. So I came to ChatGPT to just help me find a viral niche that will do very well on Facebook. And then I gave it a very simple prompt. So I told it to create me viral Facebook post. This should be around relationship, all right? So I also told it that it should start with a very strong hook and it should lead into other parts. I give it an instance like this so that it will understand what I'm trying to say. So it understands it and it has given me this one. So this is actually a very good post that would go viral on Facebook. So the first one, the 5 minutes rule that saved our relationship, you can see the hook here. The hook is also it's actually very strong. This single ads grow our relationship faster than all the love quotes and date nights combined. So this is the kind of post people would see and they'll be interested in reading it. So now we found the kind of post that will go viral on Facebook. We need to go to Facebook and we need to create a page to do this. So creating a page on Facebook is very, very simple. So I already have this page that I want to use for these posts. All right. So I'm basically I'm basically showing you now how you can create those kind of viral post that you see on Facebook and monetize it immediately. So you do not need to wait for Facebook monetization. You can start monetizing it immediately. So what I can do is I'm going to put this two as my main post. All right. So I can come here. I just want to come here where it say what's on your mind. And I'm going to paste this. All right. I want to remove this one. I'm going to remove this one. It says this single act grew our relationship faster than all love quotes. So another thing you can do is if you click on this, you should see something called the background. All right. So you want to give it a background so that it pops. For some strange reasons, I'm not seeing the background here, but if you're on mobile, you see different kind of backgrounds that you use. So you can use black and white just so it stands out, or you can use blue and white and all of that. So here you also click on this and you want to put like an arrow or a pointer so people can read the comment section of our posts. So I've added 2 pointers here so that they will know that we have the real information in the comment section. So all you have to do now is basically just publish it, so we can publish it immediately. So this is a post that we've created, and like I said, you need to like give it a color so that it will pop. So you want to come to the comment section of this post and you want to comment. So to comment, you come back to this one and you can just copy this. All right. So you copy this and you want to come to your comment section and you want to paste it right there. All right. So you want to paste it right here. So this is a useful information. All right. So you want to make more of this and this is going to be the comment. Now I'm going to edit it and I want to include our link right there. So at the bottom here, we also want to insert another emoji just to direct them to our link. So here we've added these emojis and we want to go back and get our link. So we want to copy our link again. So this is so we want to copy our link. So if you come back to direct link, you see all the links that you've created. So you can copy this link and then you want to come back to, so you can come back to Facebook and you can paste your link right here. So after reading this, they would click on this. And if they click on this, they will see relevant adverts to them and you are going to be earning some money. Another way to do this is you can shorten this link by using link shorteners and putting it right here. So once you are done, you can click on updates and our post has been updated. So if people click on this link, so once they click on the link, this is actually our link. It's going to take them to different kind of adverts that they can see. But these are not spammy adverts. These are adverts from proper companies. For instance, you can see this one is from Xness, and Xness is a very big trading platform, which means that this company, they work with big platforms. So This is basically how you use it to make money. Other people who click on this link will see different adverts that are related to them. So if you refresh this, you should be able to see maybe another different kind of advert. And all you have to do is just keep putting out this kind of posts on Facebook, all right, or any social media that you use. In case they tell you that you cannot use that link, then you would need to shorten the link or to format the link properly. So this is how you can monetize your social media traffic. Well, I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe.